I saw his head.
And then you have some of my money.
I'm gonna start walking really slow here to see if we can't catch a train. What do you think? Slow down. I thought I heard it for a second there. Let's see if we get a train. Nope.
Train?
I was hoping. No train. As mentioned, we said we were going to go to Splash Mountain. We have a fast pass for Splash Mountain, but first, we're going to do a little shopping at Pooh Corner. Hey, good morning. Is it afternoon yet? Good afternoon. Is that a bell? Nope. Darn it. Let's go to Pooh Corner and do a little shopping.
I wonder if.
For Winnie the Pooh stuff.
I didn't know how.
I'm kind of tempted to get my boss because I got her the Eeyore mug last year.
Yeah.
Maybe she can do the Pooh Bear one because she has like kind of keep it themed. It's like her favorite Winnie the Pooh.
Yeah.
And it was her birthday on the 5th.